Well, welcome to our channel. This is a day of mixed feelings for me. I'm going to my Triumph dealer and replacing this beauty, my Speed Twin 1200, for another bike. I show you when I get there what it is. But okay, let's go. I have about 1 hour to drive to get there. So I take the opportunity to tell you about this bike, what I like and what I don't like so much, and why I'm replacing it. Our channel have been focused on our life with our RV and campervan. We sold the last one this spring because we wanted to have a bike summer. I'm not sure if we will get a new one. Long-term dream is to have both a campervan, a trailer, and both our bikes. But we'll see about that. The city where I'm picking up the bike is where I work too. So I do a bit of commuting there. And that's one of the reasons I'm replacing this bike. It's me on this channel and Anneli, the missus, who also drive bike. She got a Honda CB750 Hornet 2024, which I, by the way, really love. Both her and the bike, obviously. But I was out on it yesterday and yeah, I really like it. For me, this bike is perfect for short trips, going to the twisties, drive 1 or 2 hours just to feel the torque, getting out of the curves. That's really addictive. But of course, being a naked bike, no wind protection, and commuting to work or going on longer trips, I need some wind protection. Hope it will be no rain today. It's been raining for a few days here in Sweden. It's been a really hot summer here, hotter than usual. And what I can say about this bike is it's really hot from the engine. Riding like this is okay, but if it's a really hot day, you stop for a traffic sign, your legs are cooking. So if you live in a harder place in Sweden, it might become something to consider for you. I had this bike for about a year. Bought it last summer. It had 950 kilometers on the meter. So it was just broken in when I bought it. And I really had no problems with it, technically. We went on a 2-day journey in Sweden, visiting the grandchildren, and yeah, this is not really a tour motorcycle, not for me. Feeling a bit cramped and my butt was aching a lot. But on a road like this, it's magic. Just cruising along like this and feel the torque. I think Anneli is getting annoyed on me when we drive together because I just want to feel this rush. So I'm going behind her like a Jojo. This is 2022 model year, and I really like these clocks here. This one has heated grips. Shit. Oh my god. Bird crash. Almost. Forgot my earplugs. I don't like driving on the motorway without them. So you might say this bike is a keeper, and why don't I keep it? Well, I need an everyday bike. And I don't really drive that much to motivate a second bike, and there's also a lack of space in my garage. Okay, now I got my earplugs back on the road. So there's a lot of roads like this in Sweden. I don't know what you call them, but B roads maybe, before you get on the motorway. There's a lot of trees in Sweden, if you didn't know it. 80% I think of Sweden is trees. So now we're getting on the motorway, the E4, the Europe Road 4. A long part of my commuting to work is on this motorway. And you know, driving 80, 90, 100 on this bike is perfect. But 110 or 120, the wind is a problem for me personally. So which bike am I replacing this with? Well, I can tell you Lingvall's motor is they have many brands, but they are a Triumph dealer, so I can tell you that. We'll see in a minute. I think I'm gonna get off the motorway here, taking a smaller road the last bit. It takes a bit longer, but I'm not in a rush today, even though I can't wait. If you continue on this road here, you have a very nice fish restaurant. It's close to the sea in the east of Sweden. I did the annual service on this bike, not me, but the dealer. And then 1 week later I made my mind up to buy the new bike. So it was 4,700, I think, Swedish crowns. Changing the oil and the usual checkup, and also replacing the brake fluid, which should be done every second year, I think, according to Triumph. Getting close to Gävle now. This is the golf club. I've been there a lot. Golf is a very nice and relaxed way to get frustrated and disappointed at yourself. Throttle is a bit jerky on this bike, and I noticed that too on Anna's Hornet. Maybe it's a twin thing, but after a while you get used to it and learn how to compensate with the clutch. And as I told you about the heat from the engine, I can feel it now. And the fan is on a lot, especially on hot days, hotter than this day. I ride this bike mostly in sport mode, but in slow traffic like this I use the road mode, which it's a bit more smooth. Motorhome parking. So I'm here. So this is a Triumph section of this shop. A lot of goodies here. Oh, what is this? It's the new Tiger 800 Sport. But this one is sold. And guess who the buyer is?